Hello everybody, this is Mark, and if you don't know by now, you can find me at apopkalifeinsurance.com. One of the things I want to talk about today was excuses, and this of course is in relation to life insurance. I was going to go over a few reasons that I always hear people why they don't have life insurance. One of the things, you have to excuse it, that's my kid. One of the things that I find funny is when people say, oh, I don't need life insurance, you can just throw me in a hole out back. Now, that's probably one of the most irresponsible things I've ever heard anybody say ever. And I just want to say to those people that you clearly do not care about your family, so I don't even waste time. We'll move to the next reason. The next reason I've always heard is, oh, I'm too young. Well, I gotta be honest with you, one of the funniest things in life for me is that when people can get life insurance at the cheapest rate possible, is when they're young, 18 and over. 25, 30 years old, 35. Oh, I don't have to worry about dying. Young people act like they've never seen anybody young die before. Once again, excuse me, that's my son. He doesn't really understand that we're shooting a video. He's only 10 months old. So the next thing I want to talk about for reasons is, and this one is one of my personal favorites, is that, oh, well, I already have insurances at work. And you know what? I understand that. But one of the funny things is that whenever I ask people, well, how much do you have, they can never tell me. That's the first thing. Well, can you take that policy with you or can you not take the policy with you? They can never tell me. And the reason why is because the benefits that we get at work, we just sign up for them and we move on. In most cases with work benefits, it's either one time your salary based on what you elect, or 2 times your salary, or in some cases you don't have a choice at all. It could just be a basic $10,000. And again, it's good because at least you have some coverage on you. And it can cover your kids as well. But that's still not going to meet your need. And the other thing is too, especially in this economy, people are going to switch their jobs quite a bit before, before they retire. So that's another reason. Another reason that I have is that people say they can't afford it. I realize that you can't afford your life insurance, and that's fine. That's what they have, but they have a provision for it. It's called term insurance. Okay? I know this is not new material, but hear me out. Term insurance is very inexpensive, especially when you're a young person. When you're a young person and you have young children, that's when you need life insurance more than before. Term insurance, you can get something for $15, $20 a month, so at least if something happens, they'll be okay. I realize that life insurance is not for the living. You know what I mean? Or actually, I should turn it around and say it actually is not for the dead. It is for the living. It's for the people that you leave behind. If you have some consideration for your children or your grandchildren or for your wife or your husband, this is something that needs to be taken care of and not to be something that we look at lightly. All right, well, once again, this is Mark over at ApopkaLifeInsurance.com. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hope you have a great day.